Hello again, welcome to another video from the Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Okay, so we are really cracking on with our modules, really cracking on. Today we're going to look at this. We are going to look at the 4x4 Matrix Keypad. The 4x4 Matrix Keypad device integrates a number of keys into one package, as is shown below. Okay, so this is the keypad, and this is how the rows and columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. All right, you are going to need a library for this. I've left a link in the description where to get the library. Let's just show you it. Okay, it's at the pypi.org website. I've shown you this before, and you need the top one, the Matrix _Keypad. Right, there are other keypads if you've got them. You're going to use other different types of keypads. All right, but that's what you're going to need. Right, let's connect the right. Yep, we're on the overhead. Let me just see what I can do, what I'm doing. So here's keypad. Right, there's a keypad. All right, exactly the same as in the picture. And what we're going to do, we're going to connect to these 8 connectors, because there's 8 cables. 8 connectors here, and it does say keypad 4x4 just there on this connector here. Okay, so what we do, we line them up. This is how I do it, and then just press them on. All right, and I just check that everything's hunky-dory. Yeah, everything's hunky-dory. We'll leave the keypad there for a minute. All right, so let's go instruction. Here we are. Right, let's set up everything. Okay, so we're going to go File, Open, as normal. Our template. Right, as you can see, I like to leave all of my Python files, libraries in the same folder. And as you can see, just up here, I've got the keypad.py library. Right, so okay, that, here we go. And I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to call mine Matrix Keypad. Matrix Keypad. Okay. .py, don't forget the Python extension. We'll okay that. Wrong mouse. Okay, wrong mouse. So let's come down to the code. It's quite a simple code. You'll be surprised how simple it is. And you'll see how we go. Excuse me. So, keep grabbing the wrong mouse. We import our capital R, capital P, small I, .gpio as GPIO. This time we don't import time. We import keypad. Right. So what that is doing is that it's telling the Raspberry Pi and this program that we want to use that library keypad. Return. Right. So it basically imports the keypad module. We've got to tell it now attributes rows all capital equals 4. Right, so we've got 4 rows. Columns COLS equals 4. Now if you've got you can get keypads 5x5, 6x6. You would just change that number from 4 to 5, 6, or how many buttons you got on your keypad. Right. Now we've got to do a small matrix, so it's keys. equals square brackets on, right, space. So it is quotes 1, quotes, comma, quotes 2, quotes, comma, quotes 3, quotes, comma, and then our next one is quotes capital A, quotes, comma. Right, so if you've got a different keypad, you just make this matrix and you go along and you tell it what the button does. Okay, well, we have 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, B. All right, return quotes 4, quotes, comma, quotes 5, quotes, comma. What's happening? Oh, I haven't done the quote. Comma. Quotes 6. Quotes, comma. Quotes B. Quotes, comma. Return. Quotes 7. Quotes, comma. Quotes 8. Quotes, comma. Quotes 9. Quotes, comma, quotes, capital C, quotes, comma. Excuse me. Return. Right, our next row is quotes, star, quotes, comma, quotes, 0, quotes, comma, quotes, hashtag, quotes, quotes, comma, and then it's quotes, capital D, quotes. All right, no comma on the end of that, and it's square brackets off. All right, so that has now made our matrix. That has told the Raspberry Pi exactly where the buttons are on the keypad. All right, so what we can do, we can get rid of all this. Right, and I'm on row 11. So we now need to tell the Raspberry Pi which number each of these rows and columns are on. So the pins, right? We need to tell the Raspberry Pi the pins, right? The rows pins and the column pins. So ROWSP capital INS space equals, and it's square brackets on again. So it's 36, comma, 38, comma, 40, comma, 37. Square brackets off. Then we need to do the Coles pins, capital P on the pins, equals, square brackets on, 35, 33. So it's 35, comma, 33, comma, 31, comma, 29. Square brackets off. Okay, so let's give our pin outs. All right, for our rows and columns. Then we come down to our loop. Before we do the while loop, there's a couple of things we've got need to put in. So Coles pins, def loop. Just checking things. If I forgot something. Right, that goes up to line 8, 9, 10, 11 rose pins to do. Def loop. Right, okay. Just thought I'd forgotten a line of code. Okay, while true. We leave for the minute and we come down and keypad. All small case equals keypad, but with a capital K this time. Dot keypad again with a capital K, brackets on. Keys, all small case, comma, and it's rows, pins, comma, cols, pins, capital P on the pins, comma. Right, I've just seen them. It's always good to see your mistakes before you your typos. Cols pins. So keypad.keypad keys, comma, rows pins, cols pins, comma, rows, all capitals, comma, cols, all capitals. And this is now creating the keypad object. Brackets off. Keypad, all small case, dots, set, bounce, time. Set, bounce, time. Debounce time, sorry. Let's go back. Capital D on the debounce time. And on that, brackets on, 100, brackets off. Sets the debounce time. Let's come down to our while true now, while true. All right, return, auto indent. Key, small case, equals, and that's keypad, again, all small case, dot, get, key, capital K on the key, brackets on, brackets off. Right, let's come down, get this out of the way. If, brackets on, key, space, exclamation mark, equals, keypad, all small case, dot null, all capitals, brackets on, off, colons, auto indent, print. Space, brackets on, double quotes, U, pressed, key. So this is going to tell us what key we've pressed, all right, in the shell at the bottom of the code. You press key, space, colons, space, percent, C, space, quotes off, percent, key, small case, sorry, brackets on, key, brackets off, brackets off. Okay. So, looking good, looking good. Let's move down. We can take this out. We don't need a destroy. All right. So press key and we can take this setup out. setting. Have I done that? Bit overzealous. Oh. Right, bit overzealous. And that's it. As I said, quite a short little bit of code. Just want to make sure I've got everything hunky-dory. Well, let's save it. Program, sorry, I didn't save it. Program is starting. First time, I pressed the wrong button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, hey, sorry. Started first time. No mistakes. No mistakes. No mistakes. How cool is that? How cool is that? Let me just switch the overhead so you can see me pressing. What we do, I'll press, can you see? 4, 5, 6, B. So if we go overhead, so if we go instruction, you can see 4, 5, 6, B. It's working. Let me do one more so you can see it. 7, 8, 9, C. 7, 8, 9, C. All right, great. Great stuff. Hey, first time, no mistakes. It was a short bit of code, I know. It was a short bit of code. Okay, great. Great. What a simple little video. Quick. Good. I bet you're all saying. I have put a link. I will put a link down below into the description where you can get the keypad library. So I'll put a link where that is. All right. So we're moving on. We've only got a few more components to do. We've only got a few more components to do, and then we can move on to our projects. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, because I did. Because remember, I'm learning with you. I'm doing it with you as we do it. Right? So don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm getting tongue-tied now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.